Those are the real one. Then they come from the rich first. This is moving also 4 years for you. There's a plenty of them they will not
Just imagine how these people are killing us. Nigeria, I mean, no weapon, no anything. See the weapon they bring here, these ones are not working. These are updated vehicles. They are not working. They just keep them here for formality. Just to to discourage us in the name of encouragement. Imagine, they are killing us every day. Eh? They are not kitting us, they are not giving us anything. Will you imagine a soldier will be in the war front, no helmet, no fragmented jacket, no enough ammunition to help himself? Imagine in this situation, Abba, this is a very wrong idea. We are not going to take this again. It is enough. Enough is enough. Yes, we die. We die, they kill us. But we are fighting to defend our country. The generals are cheating us. It is time for the generals to stop all those things. Nigeria will hear this. Imagine.